In this video lesson, I will explain to you what is a sell in Forex trading. Selling in stock trading, in indices trading, in options trading, it is the same scenario. A sell means that you are expecting that the price, which is currently here on the chart 2369.81, it will fall down in value, and that means the price will go from the current market price, it will go down. And when the price goes down, you are opening an order, which is also a sell order, where you are expecting that the price will go down, and if the price goes down, you will make money. This is what is sell in the Forex. Selling means that you are betting on the trade, on the price that it will go down in the future. If it goes against you, that means you will lose money if you trade that. So inside the trading platform, I will show you an example, what is a sell order, a sell trade, so you can understand that much more clearly. If you are trading a Forex, you can also use any trading platform, for example, MT4, MT5, or any other trading platform that your broker allows you to use. But usually the scenario and also the logic is the same. If you open an order, in this case I will click this button, and inside this window I will have two options. I can open a sell by market order, or I can open buy by market order. In this lesson I will show you what is sell by market or what is sell order, and also what is selling inside the trading. When you click on this button, you will immediately open an order with the current market price, which you can see here. Click this button and you can see that the sell order has been opened successfully. And click OK button, and here inside this row you can see that we have opened an order with the current market price, which is 2370.17. So in this case you can see this green line, which is also sell. You can see sell 0.01. This is the order number. You can see this is the green line that represents at the price at which the market has opened this sell order. So in this case I am expecting that the price will go down in the future and I will make money. If it goes against me, that means I will start losing the money. Here inside the last column where it is located profit, you can see the current status, what is the amount of money I am currently having with this order. You can see that the current market price is above the open price, and my current profit is minus 0.45 cents. So if I would like to be in a profit, this price level, which is currently 2370.43, should go below the open price, which means below 2370.17. So this is the scenario where I'm waiting and watching that the price goes in my favor and not against me, that it moves up. So the selling is expecting that the price will drop down in value in the future. When to open the sell order? The opening a sell order depends on you and your analysis and your strategy that you are using in your trading. You can use a simple strategy that is called support and resistance lines, which you can see here on the chart. Let me stretch these lines. This is the area which represents supply and demand around the horizontal support and resistance lines. These red lines on the chart represents support and resistance, and that means it is an area where I'm expecting that the price will bounce in the opposite direction, or it will go up and continue to rise in value, or it will go down and falling in value. In my case, I have opened a sell order just in between. So in this case, I have not used any strategy or analysis to open the sell order, but I have simply clicked the button and open sell order just to show you what this means. What I could do in the future, I could also wait until the price comes to this price level, like in this case, when the price goes up, open sell order at this resistance, which means I am expecting that the price will go down in the future, just in this case. So if I have open order here at this market price, if the price goes down, I would make money. When that happens, you're using a strategy that increases the chances of being successful. If you simply open sell order at any price level, sometimes you will be in profit, but also sometimes you will be in loss. But eventually you will be in loss totally. Then second thing that you can also pay attention is when to exit from this trade. So when to close the trade with loss or the profit. In this case, if you open a sell order, it would be very good to plan to get out at the next support level where it is expected that the price will bounce back up. So when the price goes here, you're in profit. It would be very good to close this trade with a profit instead of waiting for the price to go even more down or to go up. So for example, if you have not closed this trade at here, the price has gone down, you were in profit. But take a look when the price has returned back up all the way almost at the open price of this trade, if you have potentially opened that. So this could be also a trade that has gone above, going above even more and going in the loss. So this is also a scenario that could happen. So it is better to wait and also exit here, take profit, and then wait for the second chance, for example, for the price to reach again this area, which is a resistance, and then wait for the price to go even more down. So instead of waiting, for example, for the price to reach, you can also use other types of selling order, and that means also a sell stop and also a sell limit order, which you can also check in other videos inside the playlist. You can check, I have explained them with an example when to use them. So in this case, you can see that the price at the current market, at the current moment, the price has gone below my open price, and you can see that I am in profit. So currently I am in profit for 0.59 cents. So this is great because the price is moving down, and it is moving as I have expected. This is a sell order. So when you are using a sell order, the price is expected to fall down. So you are expecting that the price will go even more down. So when I am ready, if I would like to close this order, which is sell order, I can click this X button, or I can double click on this order and this window will open. Here it is a yellow button that says close sell. This is the close this order. You can see, just a minute to show you a little bit. Okay, just a minute, I need to show you this one. Here it is. You can see that the number of this order is 172. It is the same one. We can see it here. So when I click this close button, this trade will be closed and I will make $0.37. Click close and it is closed. You can see this order has been removed, but the money has been added to my account balance, and also the trade that was visible here on the chart has disappeared. So you can see how do you open a sell order, what is a sell order, what is one of the strategies that you can use to open a sell order, and also there are other two types of the sell order, sell limit and sell stop, that you can use, and you can watch them in another video lessons. If you have any questions regarding the sell order and also what is selling in Forex, feel free to leave a comment below and ask any questions. See you in the next videos. Happy trading!